Now I'm going to provide evidence for the definition function. So one thing we have to test is creating new items and using them. So I'm going to define a brand new item called Citron with a quantity of 42 and this expiry date here. Now this price, cost, maximum, minimum, these values will be added to a definition function which we can then use later on. So if we add like 32 here, or 3 would be more reasonable, a maximum of 120 and a minimum of 10 if we order more. Submit this. We see that this record has been saved onto here. So then add another item here, Citron again. Let's add a brand new composite key here. Say 1 year into the future. Well, 2 years. If we add a brand new, no, same, if we leave this empty actually, this should add a brand new record with these 4 same values here. So if we have a look. Yep, and we have these 4 new values here. So that's all good. We've managed to create a brand new definitions record. I'll show a screenshot and the evidence after this. And we've also managed to use it. Now, if we add a brand new, if you have brand new values here, this should save it onto this record here. Well, not this record, but any future records should be using the brand new value. So if we just try that here, so again, let's create a brand new composite key with the same name, which is the primary key for the definitions table. If we add some brand new values, so say inflation increases to 4, we then increase this by 3, so it costs us 3 to buy, 4 to sell. You want to store the same amount. Actually, let's change it up a bit. Let's call it 300. And then 20 here. We submit this. The item record adds as normally, which is to be expected as we take the form value. We always prioritize the form value over the definitions table. We only consult with the definitions table if the form value is empty. So we add another item, Citron, 35, 453, sorry. Brand new composite key here. This is a unique date. Now if we pass this in, we should see this value here, the record. Oh, okay. As a matter of fact, we don't actually see that there. Okay, I need to fix this then. So okay, that's one thing that we need to work on. There's one more thing I wanted to check, and that was passing blank values for a item which isn't in the definitions table. So let's say we have apple pie. This isn't defined in the stock table or the definitions table. So if we create this and pass this, let's see what happens. Okay, so an error occurs, which means that we don't add anything whatsoever. So this means that we won't see any erroneous data in the table. However, I feel like there are better ways of handling this. In terms of priority, this issue isn't a very high prioritized issue. However, this is something that we can improve on. So I'll consider changing this as well. And accepting the input, but not changing anything.